Welcome to today's video featuring the R line by Rousseau, where innovation meets modularity.
So sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Rousseau engineered its first modular cabinet version back in the 1970s. They were your standard 30 by 30 box and worked quite well. Since then, we have evolved to our R line cabinets, just like you see here. This is not your typical cabinet. It's an innovative system that grows with your evolving needs.
For decades, our innovation team has added solutions to the R family of products, going beyond drawers and cabinets.
So whether you need a mobile cabinet,
or a workstation like the Tech Zone,
or a vertical drawer unit, Rousseau's modularity makes it happen.
So stay with us and see how innovation and modularity can create value-added solutions for you.
From maintenance departments and distribution centers to parts departments and manufacturing plants, from labs, tool cribs to trade schools, there's always a Rousseau solution. Rousseau's cabinet is part of a system combining high-density storage and innovation that offers unparalleled features. With a wide range of widths, depths, and heights, base options, locking features from a central lock to a keyless digital keypad, there's always something for any and all applications. The drawer rolling system, which I like to describe as the engine of the cabinet, is not your typical drawer slide. We have engineered and produced a carriage system that perfectly distributes the weight and offers a smooth cycle even when the drawer is fully loaded. The results are amazing. The strength and durability we achieve is why we're able to offer a lifetime warranty on the rolling system. The clean, ergonomic full-width handle makes it simple and effortless to open the drawer from any position. You can order the drawer empty, with plastic bins, or with one of our partition and divider layouts. The partitions are always factory installed, and the dividers come in a sealed pack that shows a pictogram of the layout that you've selected. The units beside me here are two examples of models that Rousseau keeps in stock and available to ship within 48 hours. Rousseau is a made-to-order company, and with over 40 modular cabinet footprints and 20 standard colors, you can easily get exactly what you want. So remember, with Rousseau, it's not what you see is what you get, it's what you want is what you get.
Now modularity becomes mobile. Easily convert a modular cabinet into a mobile cabinet by adding our 4 or 6-inch high-quality casters and side push handle. The full-width handle, equipped with the integrated lock-in mechanism, serves as an important feature when the cabinet is in motion. Other features like the one-drawer-at-a-time system or the corner bumpers are key design elements to ensure safety for the user and environment. Like all Rousseau accessories, these can all be retrofitted to an existing Rousseau cabinet. Adding a stainless steel, painted steel, wood, or steel top with a rubber mat, and your mobile cabinet has now become a functional mobile workstation. However, modularity does not end here.
Certain tasks require a certain level of precision and security, and we have designed and engineered a system that was missing in the marketplace, and we call it the Tech Zone. The Tech Zone simply mounts on top of a modular cabinet or workbench and creates a sophisticated working environment. With 4 widths and 3 depths available, you have a choice of dimensions that integrate perfectly into any space. The tambour door allows you to close and lock all contents even if the task is not finished. Well lit due to the LED light with motion sensor, you can select accessories to best outfit the Tech Zone to your needs. We have utility panels for hanging accessories like shelves, LCD or tablet supports, power options including a charging shelf. It really is what you want is what you get. Being able to shut and lock the door down without having to worry about valuables being lost or misplaced, not to mention the time to reset everything up the following day, makes the Tech Zone so valuable.
Who hasn't struggled retrieving something at the back of a shelf? I know I have. Drawers solve that issue below, but until now there hasn't been a solution above. Well, our innovation team has solved that problem with the award-winning R2V vertical drawer. You really are getting the best of both worlds, high-density drawers below and above. You can easily add a R2V vertical unit to an existing bench for added space, or in between two stations with the ability of having locks for multiple users. It guarantees security for both. Safety is always part of Rousseau's designing process. That is why the one-drawer system at a time and the integrated locking mechanism are also available with the R2V vertical drawer. And the accessories you can add are second to none. Whether it is adjustable shelves for boxes or cans, or a perforated panel for tools and cables, the R2V vertical drawer has it all. A great example of the Rousseau difference.
As you can see, Rousseau's R cabinet line is so much more than a cabinet and drawer system. It's a family of products working together to offer solutions that make everyday tasks easier.
So thank you for watching, and for more information, please visit our website at rousseau.com or give us a call at 1-866-463-4270.